Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a coupon code on Amazon. This is a fantastic way to save money on your purchases, whether you're buying everyday essentials or treating yourself to something special. Let's dive right in and get those savings applied to your order. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your cart and proceed with your purchase smoothly. After logging in, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the cart icon. Click on it to view all the items you've added. Now, if you haven't browsed for products yet, feel free to explore and add your preferred items to your cart first. Take your time finding exactly what you need before moving forward with the checkout process. Once you're ready and have all your items in the cart, you might notice that there are multiple products listed. If you only want to purchase specific items and not everything in your cart, simply uncheck the boxes next to the items you don't want to buy right now. This gives you full control over what you're purchasing. After you've selected the items you want, look over to the right panel and click Proceed to Checkout. This action will take you to the next stage where you'll finalize your purchase details. Now you'll need to select your delivery address. Amazon will typically show you saved addresses if you've ordered before, or you can add a new one if needed. Choose the address where you want your items delivered and make sure it's correct to avoid any shipping issues down the line. Here's where the magic happens. Navigate to the section labeled Enter a gift card, voucher, or promotional code. This is the field specifically designed for applying discounts to your order. In the designated field, enter your Amazon coupon code carefully. Double check that you've typed it correctly, as even a small error can prevent the code from working. Once you've entered the code, click Apply. You should see your discount reflected in the order total almost immediately, showing you exactly how much you're saving. Finally, after confirming that your coupon has been applied and everything looks good, click Place Your Order. This completes your purchase and ensures your items are on their way to you at a discounted price. And that's it. You've successfully added a coupon code on Amazon and saved some money in the process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.